Hello friends, this is Kishore Kumar. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the input function, output function and import methods. The table of contents for this tutorial is Python's output using the print function and output formatting. Next, Python input function, and finally we will learn about Python import module. Python provides numerous built-in functions that are readily available to us at the Python prompt. Some of the functions like input function and print function are widely used for standard input and output operations respectively. Let us see the output section first. Python output using the print function. We use the print function to output the data to the standard output device, that is screen. We can also output data to a file, but this will be discussed later. Let us see an example here. Let us take print. This sentence is output to the screen. See here, we are giving the output string to the use through print function. It prints the output as it is. This sentence is output to the screen. Okay. Now we will see the syntax of print function. This is the syntax: print bracket objects, comma separator, comma end line character, comma file, comma flush. Here the objects value is the value to be printed at the output. The separator, this is the separator, is used between the values. Here the end is the new line character. Similarly, the file is the object where the values are printed, and its default value is the sys standard output. Let's take one example to illustrate this concept. Like this: print 1, 2, 3, 4. It gives the output 1, 2, 3, 4, the same output. Now we use the separator: print 1, 2, 3, 4, separator equal to star. We are separating each values with the star. See the output here: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4. This is the separator. Between each value it is printed. Now we use the end character: print 1, 2, 3, 4, separator equal to, let us use hash, and is equal to ampersand. Okay, see its output. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are separated with the hash symbol, and end is the ampersand. Okay. Output formatting. Sometimes we would like to format our output to make it look attractive. This can be done by using the string.format method. This method is visible to any string object. See one example here. For example, x equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. These two values to the output formatting. Print the value of x is, see these two curly braces, and y is the single quotation ends, and put the dot and format of x comma y. See here, format x comma y. Then the output is the value of x is 5 and y is 10. Here these curly braces are used as the placeholders. Okay, now we can specify the order in which it is printed by using numbers tuple of index. Let's see that example. Print I love 0. These are the placeholders, curly braces, and 1 dot format of bread comma butter. Here bread is the 0 and butter is the 1 index. Here in the placeholders it will be replaced just like this. I love bread and butter. I love 0 and 1. 0 is the index of bread and 1 is the index of butter. It is substituted here just like this. Now let's take one more example on the same example. I love, let's take 1 here and 0 to check the index of the format. Same, bread and butter. See here, I love butter and bread. Here bread is the 0 index. It is substituted here, and butter is the 1 index. Its index is 1. It's substituted here. We can use keyword arguments to format the string. Now let's take that example. Print hello name. Here name greeting and now format of greeting good morning and name equal to Kishore. See here, greeting is equal to good morning. This is the 0 index, this is the 1. For that the 0 index variable is greeting and 1 is the name. Those two are replaced here. Hello Kishore, good morning. Just like this. Okay. We can even format strings like the old printf style used in C programming language. For that, use the percentage operator to accomplish this. Let's take an example here. X equal to, for example, 12.345678 9. Okay. Print the value of X is percentile. Just like I don't want the integer part, only I need decimal places. For example, 2, let's say 2f percentage x. See here, here 0.2, only 2 decimal places are taken and remaining are truncated. It gives the output like this. Now let us take one more example. Print the value of x is percentile 0.4f. Let's take percentage x. See here, the 4 decimal places are represented here. Okay. Python's input function. Up till now, our programs were static. The value of variables were defined or hard-coded into source code. To allow flexibility, we might want to take the input from the user. In Python, we have the input function to allow this. The syntax for this input function is input of prompt. Here, the prompt is the string we wish to display on the screen. It is also an optional. Let's take an example here. Num equal to input. Enter a number. This syntax for the input function. Here, enter a number. If you enter one integer, now see the result. Here, number 10, it converted into the string. It is not the integer value. Okay. It is not a number. To convert this string, we have to convert this string into integer. We have to use the two functions, integer and float functions. Okay. Here the 10 is the string. It is converted into integer. The output is, this is the output. It converted into integer. Similarly, we will convert the string into float. See here 10.0. The same operation can be performed using the evaluation function eval, but it takes it further. It can evaluate even expressions provided the input is a string. Let's see the example. Integer of 2 plus 3. Here 2 and 3, when it cannot convert the string variables. It cannot add the strings variables here. So use the eval function like this. It gives the output 5. Okay. This is Python import module. When our program grows bigger, it is a good idea to break it into different modules. A module is a file. It contains Python definitions and statements. Python modules have a file name, and end with the extension .py. Definitions inside a module can be imported to another module or the interactive interpreter in the Python. We use the import keyword to do this. For example, we can import math module by typing in import math, just like this. Import math, print math dot py. Here it prints the value of phi 3.14159. Okay. Now all the definitions inside math module are available in our scope by importing this import math module. We can also import some specific attributes and functions only using the from keyword. From is a keyword. Let's see that example. From math import py. Here from is a keyword. It is used to import some specific attributes. Just simply type py. It gives the output just like this. In the previous example, we used like this, and in this example, we have import py module from the math module. Okay, py attribute. We imported the py attribute from the math module here, just like this. While we importing a module, Python looks at several places defined in sys.path. It is a list of directory locations. Now see that locations. Here import sys module. We are importing the sys module, and see the sys path. See here, this is the system path. Okay friends, in the next tutorial we are going to learn about the operators in Python 3. If you like these tutorials, please subscribe this channel and you may share with your friends. Thank you for watching. This tutorials lesson available in PDF file. The link is given in the description. Signing off by Kishore Kumar Vacha.